Make a nice cocktail with our Dirt Gear Co. blue cooler. Let me show you what we got going on right here. We just shove that right on through. Shove this on right here. This right here is our on-off switch. People always say that you need Teflon for this stuff. It's fine. Teflon is definitely gonna need to be used next time. Take this little contraption of ours. See, that's about good. Sounds like you.
Hey, save some of this for my Camelbak.
Looks like that's the one you're getting.
Looks like you're having a 32-hour workday. Keep doing it. Oh.
You want a drink? You're gonna be sticky for the next 10 days. A little wash. Pretty good invention. We'll make some improvements.